What's up guys, Revolutions PM here, coming at you with a quick tip. So we just did an oil change on this 2009 Honda CR-V, and I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Okay, so you want to get in the cab first. Key is on, and what you want to do is have your oil life displayed on the center dash here. You want to go to your speedometer here, and in the corner there will be a select or reset button. You want to press that until oil life is showing on the dash. Then you want to hold it for about 10 seconds until the word cancel is flashing. And here we go. Cancel is flashing. Now you want to go back to that button, rotate it, but do not press it. Rotate it clockwise until oil life is flashing. Press it once, and 100%. Press it again. Your wrench light will be off. Stay tuned for some more quick tips. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.